I'm Ria and welcome to Ria's Kitchen, where we make pretty healthy and low-carb foods. Today we're making Philly cheesesteak stuffed peppers. Let's get started. For ingredients, we have steak that is thinly sliced, onions that is diced, mushrooms that are chopped, provolone cheese, and we have 3 green peppers that have been cut in half and cleaned out. Now over at your stove, you are going to add oil, any oil you want to use, to the pan. I'm using extra virgin olive oil. You're gonna let it heat up. While you're waiting for your pan to heat up, you can turn your oven on to 425 and let that heat up. So you preheat your oven to 425 so that once you're done cooking the onions and the mushrooms and the steak, you can stuff it into the peppers and put it in the oven for 25 minutes. The mushrooms. And you're gonna cook the mushrooms until they are browned. Mushrooms are slightly browned. You'll add in your onions. And you'll cook these until they are caramelized and brown. Once the mushrooms and onions are caramelized to your liking, remove them from the pan and set aside. In the same pan, add more oil. And then you're going to brown your beef. Once the steak is browned, you're going to add your onion and mushroom mixture back in there. And then you're going to season it however you like. I'm using garlic, black pepper, seasoning salt, and steak and chop. And then once you season it, just stir it all together and let it all cook together. Once your meat is ready to be put in the peppers, you're going to add provolone cheese to each pepper first. You're going to add your steak mixture to each pepper. Add more cheese on top. the peppers. You're gonna put it in the oven for 25 minutes. And voila, dinner is served. Thank you for watching Ria's Kitchen. If you like my content, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified when I'm posting new content. Thank you. See you next time.